Hello everyone, today we will be making pumpkin halwa. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, take a pumpkin with a net weight of 1 kilogram. Chop it into pieces. Cut the pieces skin off. Now grate them shredded into tiny pieces. Now take a utensil and put in the grated pumpkin. Let it be until it leaves out water. Pour in half cup of milk in it. Mix it well. Let the water dry. Wait until it looks like this, then add 1 cup of sugar in it. Let the sugar melt, then mix it together. Let it cook until this much water is left. Now take another utensil and pour in half cup of oil in it. Add 5 cardamoms in the oil. Add 5 tablespoons of suji semolina in it. Mix it well until it starts to smell. Add the pumpkin mixture in the oil and mix until the water dries out. Keep mixing. And now your pumpkin halwa is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.